How to trim and split clips in Inshot. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Inshot on your device. After you've opened Inshot, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Video in here. After you've clicked on Video, simply select the video you want to add. Then, click on your video in the timeline. Then, you'll find a rectangle shape. You can drag it on the right side to trim the first part. But if you want to trim from the end, you can simply go to the last and drag it to the left. And this is how to trim. But if you want to split the clip, you can click on where you want to split and take your white line in there. Then at the top, scroll to the left and you'll find split option. Click on split. After that, your video will be splitted. And this is how to trim and split clips in Inshot. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.